Hello friends and welcome back to the Recursion channel. So friends, should I be talking about Eurocom new 18-inch Raptor X18 laptop with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card. So friends, the Eurocom it launched the world's first customized 18-inch laptop powered by the newest 24 GB GDDR7 680 Tensor AI core, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 256 GB of DDR5 memory, 32 TB of RAID 015 for NVMe SSD and Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor with 24 cores and 24 threads and massive 36 MB of cache. And Eurocom is pushing the boundaries of portable high-performance computing with the launch of the Raptor X18 Mobile Supercomputer, designed for those who demand extreme computational power, whether for AI development and deep learning, scientific simulation, and engineering, content creation, and gaming at highest level. So, friend, this mobile supercomputer dominates AI processing, 3D modeling, complex simulation, and ultra high performance gaming with up to 32 TB of NVMe SSD storage. So, friend, the connectivity ports including two Thunderbolt 5 port, two 2.5 gigabit LAN port for high-speed networking, and HDMI 2.1 mini display port, multiple USB-A and USB-C connection, and full-size SD card reader with 10 ports in total. And this mobile supercomputer offers unparalleled connectivity for surpassing standard laptop with limited I/O option. And for security, the Raptor X18 comes with removable 5 megapixel halo camera, TPM 2.0, BIOS password protection, Kensington log to keeping sensitive data secure. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.